The messenger's mission. A faint glow appears in the night sky, brilliant and otherworldly. The sound of a gentle breeze grows louder as it carries the whispers of destiny. A lone angelic figure stands atop a dune, illuminated by the glow of a brilliant star. The angel, Gabriel, holds a scroll and gazes intently at the distant horizon. The prophecy is fulfilled. The king has come, and they must know. He unfurls the scroll, revealing an ancient map marked with 3 distant lands. 3 wise men chosen to witness the greatest gift to humankind. But will they hear the call? The first wise man. Cut to a luxurious study filled with scrolls and astrological tools. Melchior, a gray-bearded scholar, peers through a telescope aimed at the brilliant star. A star unlike any other. Could it be the sign? Gabriel appears behind him, radiant and commanding. Melchior, your wisdom has brought you here. Now let it guide you to Bethlehem, where a child has been born, a king for all nations. Gabriel unfurls a scroll and reads aloud, "For we saw his star when it rose and have come to worship him." Matthew 2:2. Melchior, a king, born under such a star, I must see him. Gabriel nods, his form glowing brighter before vanishing in a swirl of light. Second wise man, Caspar. In a bustling market, Caspar, a merchant, examines precious spices. He looks up, momentarily mesmerized by the star. Such brilliance, surely a sign of wealth or glory. Gabriel materializes, startling Caspar. Not wealth, but a gift far greater. Follow the star to the child who will bring peace to all. And his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting, Father, Prince of Peace. Isaiah 9:6. Caspar. Peace, a treasure beyond measure. I will go. A vast desert where Balthazar leads a caravan. He pauses, gazing. At the star, his expression filled with wonder. What is this? Light that pierces even the darkest night. Gabriel appears before him, radiant and calm. It is the light of a savior. You are chosen to bear witness. Bring your gifts, for he is worthy. Gabriel places a hand on Balthazar's shoulder. Arise, shine, for your light has come and the glory of the Lord has risen upon you. Isaiah 60:1. Balthazar, a savior, then my journey begins tonight. The 3 wise men leaving their homes, each looking up to the brilliant star that guides them. The desert, winds whip around them as their caravans converge. Through wisdom, wealth, and devotion, they journey to honor a king. Little did they know this child would change the world forever. And behold, the star that they had seen when it rose went before them until it came to rest over the place where the child was. Matthew 2:9. The wise men kneel before Mary, Joseph, and the baby Jesus, offering their gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. The radiant star shines above, casting a divine glow on the scene. Melchior whispering, a king born to humble all beginnings, yet destined for greatness. Caspar in awe, truly the greatest treasure of all. Balthazar smiling, the light of the world. For unto you is born this day in the city of David, Savior who is Christ the Lord. Luke 2:11.